I'm Steve Paylett. I live about 35 miles due north of Chattanooga, and I got into sharpening, about 2007, 2008, something in that area. So I've been doing sharpening for about 7 years. And slowly I've been working my way through and adding new items every year if I can. So I'm always kind of dreaming on things. And I decided that one of the things I'd like to try to do is start doing some of the farmers markets for knives. So I started looking at all the different knife machines, and I said, well, that one's got that problem and that one's got that problem. So I started pulling all this together. Believe it or not, what you see, only a couple of pieces did not come off of eBay. The motor, my belts, this piece of aluminum, all of this crazy stuff that allows me to infinitely adjust. It all came off of eBay. Now it took a lot more thought about doing this than actually doing it. I mean, I think I've got 4 holes for feet and 4 holes for the rest of the machine in this plate. So it's not a whole lot of work actually putting it together, but it was a lot to think about. Anyway, so I can do all my tracking, and it stays put because it's just sitting there on the weight, nothing else. And I was told that I needed to put a spring on it and this and that, and I said, I went over to Harbor Freight, got myself a digital gauge, so I set up a clamp. This was actually probably the most difficult part of this whole project, making this clamp. Kind of hard to believe, 2 pieces of metal. But I've got 2 sets of guides here, so that I can come in and do my knives on one for hunting knives, and do my kitchen knives on the other. So it's real straightforward. So let's set up whatever I want. In the meantime, this motor, everybody says, well, where'd you get the motor? How expensive was it? $110 off eBay. With shipping. What I'm getting at is you guys can build this kind of machine yourself, and it's easy. It adds, we talk to people on Facebook all the time. They're doing $500–600 in a week here, sharpening knives. Why give it up? It's there. We already know what an edge looks like, how to pull the burr. So it's really straightforward, and it's something I think everybody should think seriously as an additional add-on for the services that you offer. This thing. Anywhere from, that's running at 350 RPM. Up to 3,500. I would do a knife, but it takes less time to do the knife than it takes to set it up.